Yeah, so hello guys, welcome back again. My name is Lucius Wayne, and today I want to discuss about Life 3.0. This is a very interesting book that was written by a Swedish American who is called Mark Mark Tegmax. Yeah, he's called Max Tegmax. So Max Tegmax takes us through a brief history into the future of mankind, uh, artificial intelligence, and other technologies that are disruptive that are likely to affect us in the next maybe 100 or 200 years to come. So this book is about, like I said, is about artificial intelligence, and it's about technology. You know, so you know, artificial intelligence and machine learning uh, is one of the most important questions that we are discussing right now, because we are in the age of automation. And this automation is likely to even to affect the third world countries. You know, so many people, I try to initiate this conversation, but to them, they think that being us, maybe they say that we are in a third world country, and these technologies are not likely to affect us. Uh, you know, some of them might, or maybe I might say that I might end up to be on the wrong, but you know, some of these technologies eventually will reach in third world countries, and we are likely also to be affected. So it is not only a question that the Western countries should discuss, but also as general uh, in the global community or in the global space. We should discuss this question so that we see how we can assist mankind to be technologically sophisticated. So one of the key questions that this book tries to illustrate is that what education system best prepares people for a job market where AI keeps on improving rapidly. Yeah. So another question is what economic policies are most helpful for creating good new jobs? And another thing is what career advice would you give our kids? Useful questions to ask about a career before deciding to educate oneself for it. Does it require interacting with people and using social intelligence? Does it involve creativity and coming up with clever solutions? Does it require working in an unpredictable environment? So these are some of the kind of questions that artificial intelligence, being in the age of artificial intelligence, we might tend to ask ourselves such critical questions. And these questions are the most important conversations of our time, you know. Uh, so life is a process that maintains complexity, and it replicates itself. So where we have reached right now, we are able now to advance life than, and it is possible also to extend life beyond Earth. And also we are witnessing other technologies whereby now people are able to live longer. And some of these questions are important in our time. So this book states that Life 1.0, in Life 1.0, that life evolves its at hardware and software and biological change. And while life point two, life evolves and its hardware, but designs much of its software and cultural stage. So life point 3.0 now, life that can design its hardware and the software and technological stage. So this is I like life 3.0 because, you know, at least we shall reach in a critical moment of time whereby I might be able to alter some a few things in my body, either to become a cyborg, or maybe to completely rewire myself, or even else to become homo sentient. That is what Max Tegmax talks about. So So artificial intelligence, the way it has started being non-biological intelligence. And a famous professor in the University of Israel, who is called, I think, I've just forgotten his name. I think, yeah, he's somebody who is called Yuval someone. He said that artificial intelligence is going to be more, will do the human thinking, as it progress, or when it merges with biotechnology. Yeah, or maybe when it merges with the tech, with the yeah, let me say biology, when it merges with biology, because now AI will be able to do more of human thinking and the rest. So there are three possible scenarios. uh, there are three possible scenarios for artificial intelligence, and one of them is a strong AI. So strong AI will be the artificial general intelligence that can far surpass the human thinking qualities. And there is the human level AGI, which is like more or less the same with our thinking. So some of the experts, and there's been so many speculations that they say that artificial intelligence can be able to destroy, can cause existential risk to our civilization and to mankind. So I usually view AI to be just tools that man can use to improve himself, because you know it is these tools that uh, people can use them either to do harm or good. Maybe someone somewhere or some government somewhere can decide to employ AI to make that state to be totalitarian. And then, it is the mankind that uses these tools to either the benefit or just to cause harm. So, AI can just decide to have a goal and can decide to execute that goal. Maybe for example, AI might try to maximize our happiness by maybe either, you know the the probability of maybe producing paper clips till the universe, maybe in 1,000 years. So AI can decide to calculate the number of years and maybe decide to put us in sleep mode in order for us for in order for it to maximize our happiness. So such questions are uh, are a bit mbadala. So we have to discuss those questions. So there is also the technological singularity, where there is an intelligence explosion. And this technological singularity, there is this inventor who is called Ray Kurzweil. Ray Kurzweil talks about 2030, that humans will be able to achieve technological singularity. And and this one is, they say that it is likely to cause existential risk, because whereby, computer power is doubling after every 2 years or after every 18 months. And we are also seeing good communications, 5G and other networks. And we are also seeing the emergence of biotech and the rest, some of the technologies. We are also seeing that computers are having more memory and more computing power. So when you combine all these fields, you are going to get uh, an intelligence explosion. So I would like to end this conversation by saying that AI is the most important technology of our time, and I think we should be able to harness this technology for the betterment of mankind. So until next time again, we shall discuss the next chapter about this book of Max Tegmax. Thank you so much.